Hello all and welcome to Tom's Honest Tips, and today we're talking about the best mini drone with a 4K camera. And I know we've talked about that already, but to be fair, we had a limited budget for that previous video. Now, we don't, so we're free to choose whichever drone we want, but honestly, I think we're going to be fine with just the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's a pro version of the Mini 4K, and you might think it'll only be a little bit better than the Mini 4K, but no, it's a hell of a lot better. It's still a mini drone, mind you. It still has the low weight and small size that the Mini 4K has, and it's under 249 grams, which means there are little to no restrictions when flying it. And of course, it makes it, easy to use and all that. And as I've said in the Mini 4K drone video, the low weight and small size make it easy to store, which is perfect when you're on the move. Now, of course, that's not where the good things end, because where the Mini 4K lacks, the Mini 4 Pro makes up for. The Mini 4K didn't really have a lot of features, didn't it? It was really just a basic drone. It was a beginner's drone, really. Well, the Mini 4 Pro is still a beginner-friendly drone, but it has more features, which makes using the drone much easier. Now, the Mini 4 Pro is capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second with HDR. The previous Mini 4K can only do 4K at 30 with no HDR, but that's not where it ends. This drone can also record 4K at 100 frames per second, but that's for slow-mo shots and all that. Now, if for some reason you want to record vertically, you can do just that. There's no need to crop your videos, resulting in bad quality. All you gotta do is rotate the camera, but I don't mean you should literally rotate the camera with your bare hands. There's a function for that, alright? Now, unlike the Mini 4K, which didn't really have a lot of tracking features, this drone does, and if you're worried about your drone crashing into trees or really anything in the environment, then fret not. This DJI Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which adds a layer of protection against collisions. The Mini 4 Pro also comes with either a remote controller, a normal one, or a fancy one. Now, of course, the normal remote controller doesn't really bring anything else to the table. It's just a remote controller. Now, that would be the DJI RC-N2, but the fancy remote controller with a screen and all would be the DJI RC2. It's fancy, dare I say more? The RC2 is much more convenient, so that's what we're going with. I have one tiny detail about the drone though. A lot of users have said that you can connect a device to the drone and transfer images or videos from the drone to your device without turning the drone on. It's a good quality of life feature, which I think is really nice. And on top of all that, the camera is a 48 megapixel camera. I just thought I'd include that bit. Battery life and range is also improved over the Mini 4K with 34 minutes maximum on one battery and 20 kilometers of range, which is better than that of the Mini 4K with just 10 kilometers, which, of course, it still varies with the environment. Anyway, that's the DJI Mini 4 Pro for you. If you want to check that out, you can click on the link in the description below, and that should link you to the drone along with the RC2 camera that we mentioned. Alternatively, you can scan this QR code instead. Toodles!